Look at this! Friends, there are toys covered in mud! Muddy green! Muddy red! Muddy blue! Very dirty! Okay, there's a basket here. Let's collect it, and then we'll clean it. Looks like this is a toy bus. What toy is this? Muddy blue. It looks like a tractor. Muddy green. What car is this? Wow, that's pretty big. Looks like a toy truck. Muddy red. It looks like a loader toy. Hulk mask. Wow, M14 toy rifle. Cool! Okay, all the toys have been collected. Let's look for clean water. Okay, there's clean water here. Let's clean all the toys. This is the first. Wow, it turns out this is a motocross toy. Let's clean it again. Material transport truck toy. What toy is this? Turns out this is a toy tractor. Fire engine ladder truck toy. Cool! Quite big! Wow! It turns out it's a toy bus! What toy is this? Turns out this is a toy excavator. Muddy blue. Wow! It turns out this is a toy bulldozer. Computer toy. Toy loader. Toy ambulance car. Sports car. This is the last one. Thomas train toy. Okay, all the games are clean. Bye-bye.